Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to remove YouTube account from TV using phone. Signing out of your YouTube account on a TV can be done remotely using your phone or any device, even if you no longer have access to the TV itself. To do this, open your Google account settings on a browser or phone and navigate to the Security or Manage Devices section. From there, locate the TV you want to sign out of, select it, and choose Sign Out. To significantly remove or specifically remove YouTube access, open the YouTube on TV section within your Google account and select Remove Access. This action will sign your account from the YouTube app on the TV and any other devices linked to it, ensuring your account is no longer accessible on that device. This official Google method allows you to manage your account securely from anytime and anywhere. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.